So, problem 2. A 150 ohm resistor is connected to the secondary of a transformer with a primary to secondary turns ratio of 1:4. A 12 volts RMS 1 kHz voltage source is connected to primary. Assuming that the transformer to be ideal, calculate the primary current and the resistor voltage and the power. So, B. Assuming that a transformer has a leakage inductance of 340 microhenry as referred to the primary, calculate the primary current and the resistor voltage and power. So, the impedance in the primary side of the transformer is Z1. So, which is, to find Z1, we have the ratio of the primary to secondary, which is 1:4 squared times the impedance 2 sub 2. So, we have 150 times the 1/4 square. We have impedance to the from the primary, we have a 9.375 ohms. So, now the primary current is we have I sub 1 is equals to V1 all over Z1. So, meron na tayong Z1, no? So, we have a 12 volts all over 9.375. We have a 1.28 ampere. So, to get the voltage, V sub 2, voltage of secondary, we have V1 all over the ratio. No, the ratio. From secondary, from primary to secondary, we have 1/4. So, plug in lang. So, we have 12 all over 1/4. So, we have 48 Vrms. So, another is the power. So, yung kakalit natin na power is the power that is dissipated by 150 resistor. So, we have V2 result to square, we have 48 squared all over 150. So, we have 15.36 watt yung power na sa 150 resistor. So, B. Yung sa B, we have a leakage inductance, no? That is referred to the primary. We have L prime 2, which is equal to 340 microhenry. So, to find the reactance of the inductor, we have the X prime L sub L2. So, we have equal to 2 pi the frequency, then the L prime 2. So, we just substitute the frequency, which is 1 kilohertz, and then the inductor. Now, we have 340 times 10 raised to negative 6. So, plug in the calculator, we get 2.1363 ohms. So, we will find the load resistance nasa referred to the secondary side. So, to find the load resistance that is referred to the secondary side, we have Z1 is equal to the ratio times the Z2. So, just plug in the previous value na nakuha natin kanina, no? Resolve na yun nato ganihan. So, we have 9.375. So, after that, we will calculate the primary current. So to calculate the primary current, we have V1 all over the Z sub 1 plus the G, which is the imaginary X prime L2. So plug in lang, we have a value for the current of 1.248 angle negative 12.8378 degree ampere. So to calculate the secondary current, we have this. So we have I sub 2 is equal to I sub 1 times the ratio from the primary to the secondary. So from the previous, we have a value of I sub 1 which is 1.248, and then the ratio from primary to secondary we have 1/4. So we get a current sa secondary, we have 0.3112 ampere. So to calculate the voltage across the 150 resistor, we use this formula, no? V sub 2 is equal to I sub 2 Z2. So plug in lang, we have 150 resistor, so 0.3, we have 46.8 Vrms. So to find the power that is dissipated by the 150 resistor, we have the same formula kanina kasi nakuha natin yung V2. So plug in V2, result to square natin, then all over 150, then we get power that is dissipated by the 150 resistor, which is equal to 14.60 watt.